Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This time we have a colorful manicure for you using two techniques. Start with an opaque white polish. While the polish is still wet, add the various polish colors. Make sure to keep contrasting colors beside each other for a rich look. While everything is still wet, take a detailed brush and drag it across the nail. Start from the center and work your way up. Then to complete the pattern, drag the detail brush from the opposite end of the nail to the edge, as you can see. For the bright polka Dotticure, you can use the back end of a brush if you don't have a dotting tool. To purchase one, simply head to ILMPpolish.com. Randomly place dots on the nail in all the colors that you've used while drag marbling to make the design look cohesive. Once everything is dry, apply a glossy top coat to seal in all that hard work. Wasn't this such an easy manicure? All supplies used are in the description below. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for more such easy nail art tutorials. See you next week.